Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. We've got another spiral tie-dye. This is going to be a set of two going with the other one, so a matching shirt of scents, just with a little bit different colors. Same thing. These were those custom requests. They're actually for our neighbors. To the diner.
And he wanted a little red.
Yep. We have some Scarlet.
I think this is Chinese red.
Chinese red, I'm sorry. I stuck on the last one, so sorry. So Chinese red.
And turquoise.
Turquoise. We love the turquoise.
And lime pop.
Lime pop. Beautiful, beautiful lime pop.
And lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. Top it all off. So, on this one we have Chinese red, turquoise, lime pop, and lemon yellow.
I'm sure that'll make a beautiful rainbow.
Oh yeah.
Very good color choices of his.
Very beautiful rainbow.
Want some blue next. Some lime pop.
Lime pop. Capping it off with that lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow. This will make a beautiful little rainbow.
Oh yeah. That's a good choice of colors you made there.
It really is.
Okay. To the drying rack. Middle shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.